Our pool just got freaking, it's filled up. I'm gonna go feel it, so. I'm gonna go feel it. I'm gonna go feel it, so. I'm feeling it, so. Oh shoot. Look at all this hail on the floor. I know. Alright, I'm not gonna drop it, so in the water. I'll show you guys. It's cold.
I know.
It's cold. It's super cold. Right, so it's cold. Yeah.
So guys, we do not have the right kind of shoes on for this weather because we did not know it was gonna be this bad. So our feet may get frostbite.
No, we're not gonna get frostbite.
Dude, we're walking in.
That's a lot. That's probably your shoes, but not mine. Like, seriously. I have like, mine are Vans, yours are Under Armour.
No, Under Armour is fine. Under Armour are made for the players.
Hey, Colton.
What?
So grass. Look at the leaves on the floor.
Come on, guys, let's go check out the golf course.
Make sure you subscribe to my, and leave a like on my videos. I'm gonna be uploading more later.
Feet may be stuck.
So his feet might be stuck, so look at that.
Can you
But-
help me?
It's so messed up here. Guys, it's super cold out here.
It looks like the golf course. Wait, guys.
It's like 50 million inches in the ground. Like seriously, it's 5 inches in the ground. It's seriously, it's like 80 feet in the ground. So subscribe and leave a like on my video, and
What?
tell us if we're doing good, and just keep liking.
Oh yeah, my
I'll
video.
be uploading more videos and making a
YouTube-
theme. I'll be making a theme and a new video content thing. So like a theme. I'll ask you guys if you like it or not. So I'll give it up. And then other things too is like I'll be doing music videos, Fortnite videos, all the videos. Just keep subscribing. Let me know what to do for my videos because I'm just a new starter. So I have everything that I need, but I'm just gonna need you guys to tell me what to do. So yeah.
Oh yeah, also my YouTube channel link will be down in the descriptions below. So if you'd like to subscribe and check out my first video, you can go in there and check it out.
No, don't do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then I'm gonna go live. So everything is happening right away. But yeah, everything. I'm a new starter. So
And there you go.